Hello and welcome to my video. Today I'm going to show you how to get this makeup look using Avon's new Letterbox looks. So the Letterbox looks is all about finding your perfect nude shades. So the makeup look is quite natural, but you can still see the colours that I've got on. I'm loving this eyeshadow, the lipstick, everything is packaged to suit certain individual skin tones. So there are 9 shades to choose from. I went with Nude Suede, which is kind of towards the lighter shades, and these are all the colours that I get in here. So I'm just going to go through and show you what I've got, and then I'm going to show you just how they work and how they look on. I am seriously loving this makeup look because it's really natural, but you can tell that I've got makeup on, and I just think the colours really complement each other really well. I'm super impressed. So the box comes like this, 3-letter box. You get a leaflet in there to tell you what you've got. So you get a matte lipstick, a lip liner, a blusher, eyeshadow quad, and some gel nail varnish, which I've got on here. Which is this lovely pink colour, which I'm loving. It's really great for spring. The products come packaged, but obviously I've opened them to use them, so let me just show you what you get. Yeah, so there's 5 full products for just £18, which individually they would come to £36.50, so that's a massive saving. So honestly, if you're considering getting a whole new makeup look, please look into these. I will leave the links below, and like I said, you can choose your own shades. So in the box you get, here's your eyeshadow quad. So I chose Nude Suede, and the colours here are Barely Blush. Then the bronzer that I got, blusher, sorry, is called Luminous Blush. Then I got lip liner in Peach Envy. The nail wear is in Pink of Me, like it, which is this colour here, which I really love. It's just amazing for spring. I think it looks really lovely. And last but not least is this lipstick. Look at that packaging, absolutely love it. And this is in Nude Suede. So yeah, like I said, they're just amazing products. I really love them. They've gone really well. I've used Avon products a lot and they do last all day. So yeah, I really like this look, if you can see it here. So I've got on the blusher, the lip liner, the lipstick, and the eyeshadow. And yeah, just really like them. So if you're interested in how these products look on and how to get this natural look, then please keep watching and I will show you now. I am totally loving these colours. They are natural, but you can actually still see them. I'm really super impressed with how pigmented they've come out. And yeah, just really natural for every day, but also like you can tell that I'm wearing a shadow. So the pack doesn't come with mascara, so I'm just going to pop my own on. I use the Avon Super Shock. This is my trusty always go-to mascara. So I'm just going to pop some on my lashes now. I totally feel like these colours have just made my eyes pop. I'm so impressed. I definitely think I chose the right colours for my skin tone. I don't usually wear these colours on my eyes, but I'm definitely going to start now. I love how well Avon have actually matched these 2 skin tones. I definitely think I chose the right shades. I'm just absolutely loving these colours on my eyes. I weren't too sure if coral would suit me because I am a bit pale, but actually it looks so nice. I am absolutely in love with these colours. So yeah, definitely glad that I picked this colour. So now I'm going to go on and do my lips. This packaging is just absolutely amazing. Look at that. I absolutely love that packaging so much. I think that's definitely the nicest packaged lipstick that I actually own. So I've gone for Nude Suede, which is in this lovely colour. And then I'm actually going to match it with lip liner too. So I'm going to apply these now. it, there is my letterbox look. So yeah, I am absolutely a massive fan of this box. I love every single product. I'm going to be using them every single day. Let me know if you have ordered one of these letterbox looks and what you think to it, and also what colour you went for, and I will see you again very soon.